Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can scan QR code on PC. So first step you need to do is to open the camera of your laptop, or if you are on the PC you can use webcam, and you simply need to open the camera and you simply need to use this to scan. But unfortunately if you are unable to do this with this method, so you simply need to open Microsoft Store. So once you are on the Microsoft Store, you simply need to search for QR code scanner. So you need to hit enter, and here is you can find different, but we are going to use the free one, that is QR code scanner. Click on that, and basically you simply need to download this app. Once you download, you simply need to, here you can see the process, create QR code. So you simply need to copy QR code and paste it, and basically it will scan QR code for you. So this is the easy process that you need to follow to scan QR code on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.